Yo, what's good everybody, Joe Skates and Reaper here. So, I got a package in from Amazon the other day, and it is an assortment of laptop screws. And the reason why I need these is I'm hoping that they'll have a screw that work with the bottom cover for my Lenovo Legion Slim 5 laptop, because I lost one of the screws. Now, I will say this. It doesn't have to be an exact match as far as looks goes. However, I do need to have the correct threading. These are an assortment of laptop screws, so we shall see. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get this open. So, the knife I'm going to be using is my Brooklyn Bell Edition Gerber Assert. I fucking love this knife. It is fucking lightweight, and it is sharp. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get this open. See, is that deep enough? Oh yeah, that'll be deep enough. Alright, we'll go ahead and close it. Alright. We'll just go ahead and pull this back here. And I'll just set this off to the side and see what we got. Actually, I am going to need the knife once more because it is cling wrapped. Alright. Do a light little score here, and yeah, let me go ahead and stop this for a second, get the laptop, come back, and finish this up. Alright, I'm back. Have the laptop here, have the electric screwdriver, and I have the bits. So again, I'm gonna go ahead, because these all look just like these head wise, so hopefully get lucky. And if I do and you're having the same issues I am, I will find the listing for this on Amazon and hopefully link it in the description. We'll see how that goes. Anywho, let's see what we got. Oh yeah. Oh shit. I opened it upside down like a fucking moron. Oh well. Okay, so we do have some here. I need to make it where I don't lose all I don't care if they're fucking organized right now. That is like not my biggest issue. My biggest issue is I don't want to fucking lose these. What if I do it? Oh yeah, I can do it like this. Get them all out of that crack there. Okay, so there's one. Two. Because there's a diagram, I can organize these again later on, so yeah. Yep, I made a blunder-headed mistake. Alright, so let's go ahead and see. Here's what I'll do, right? So I do this right the first fucking time. What I'm going to do, open this back up, alright? Y'all may think I'm crazy for doing this. Some of y'all may think I'm crazy for doing this. But I am going to go ahead and just grab one of these. Because I need to see the exact length that I need, and this will tell me if I also need to get some thread locker, but go ahead and match one of these up to the others and see. That way I can get this video done in a timely fashion. And okay, here's one that might work. Let me see. Where? If there's any ones with this same size, this size right here, the threading and everything, with the same head style. No, okay, no, that's not, that's bigger. Yeah, let's see. Okay, so that's a lot smaller. Because it needs to be the same length, right? Same thread pitch. Okay, so that's a little bit longer, skinnier. Definitely not. I wish I knew what size this thread or this screwdriver or screw was. It is the same size, but I need one that's shorter. Let's see. Same size. Let me try this one. It'll just be a little test. All right. I gotta get it back out. And this is why I love tweezers. Sometimes. Let's see. Oh, almost had it. So we'll go ahead and put in the one I was missing. Nope, that one's going to be a little bit longer because it's an edge. So, these are the same size, alright. Let's see. And if you're worried about me losing the one in all of these, I'll be able to tell which one it is because it has thread locker on it. So alright, let's try this one. It sticks out a little bit, so it might not work. Yeah. Now I'm gonna find the one with blue thread locker. Here's what I'll do. So this video isn't too long. I'm gonna go ahead and look for it and then come back. Found it. So here it is. You're not gonna really be able to see it that well, but there is blue thread locker on it. So yeah. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and yeah, little screwdriver. Alright, we are good to go. So, yeah, I'm happy about that. Is it the same type of, style, or not the same style, I mean, it's the same threading and everything, but is it OEM? No. Do I care? Not really. Am I happy? Yes. Why? Because now there is a screw where there wasn't a screw that I lost. I should have been more careful, but I know exactly what happened because I watched back the footage of me upgrading the RAM in this laptop, and that screw was not there. I counted all the screws that I had taken out, and I'm going to count them for you right here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hang on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 10 screws, and I only counted 9. So I think I lost it when I think I was adding a second SSD. Yeah, that's what it was. I added that second SSD, and I think I lost the screw then and didn't realize it. But now it's fixed. You really can't tell unless you're like right up on it like this, but it's not a big issue. The threading's right, it fits, it tightens down, it's holding the laptop together, and that's all that matters. And, you know, honestly, even if this kit didn't work for me, I still would have linked it for you guys, because it may have a screw or screws that you guys may need. Like, there are screws for everything in here. Everything. Even including screws for the SSD and whatnot. So, not to mention other little miscellaneous screws. And I think that's awesome. And, you know, even if you have screws left over, that's still a good thing. And here's why. The reason why it's good that you have screws left over in this kit, what if you need them down the road? You have extras. Say you lose a screw for some... I'm pretty sure some of these screws would work for towers as well. Like, on the internals. I honestly think having a little kit like this, if you're a computer type person like I am, I wouldn't say I'm a computer repair tech, but if you like taking things apart and upgrading them and everything, having extra screws is always a must in any situation. So yes, I will recommend this little bitty kit right here. Although, don't make the fucking mistake I did and open it upside down. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Peace.